Right. See you tonight. Lucas!
Maybe you should stay in tonight.
Nope. I'm fine. You're not fine, Lucas. You're going blind. Who's there?
Josie. Are you feeling all right? Vaughn told me you were acting kind of weird.
Don't worry about me. Vaughn's the one who's gonna be feeling the pain tonight.
What are you talking about?
He thinks I'm going over to his place to study. I'm gonna prove to you once and for all that Vaughn stole the chi ball from you and returned it to his dad.
Lucas.
Did it ever occur to you that I might be right? If I find it, that should be all the proof you need.
Enough. How many times do I have to tell you that Vaughn didn't have anything to do with the chi ball being stolen from my room that night? And he's not spying for his dad.
I know you think I'm jealous of him and you, but I'm not. Jealous.
Okay. So are we cool?
Yeah. But I'm still going over there to check things out.
I'm not talking about this with you anymore, Lucas.
Why? Are you afraid of what I might find out?
No. I have to clean your room, remember?
Forget about it. It doesn't matter.
Yes, it does. A deal is a deal, and you won. Fair and square.
I knew it.
What?
What?
You just said I knew it. What do you know, and what are you staring at?
That painting, I knew it was an oil painting.
So?
I love art. Mind if I take a look?
Well, you're supposed to stand that close?
It's a, Yugoslavian New Wave art thing. Up closenism. No Chivo. Must be somewhere else.
What are you doing? Whoa, Lucas, it's okay. Just chill. I gotta say, you're acting strange. Even for you.
Yeah, it's just a headache. Can you get me a glass of water? And a painkiller? I'm getting a migraine.
Yeah.
It has to be here. There's something inside. Looks like something round. Is it the chi ball? I can't see. Oh. Okay. Lucas, stay calm. Phone. No, pen. Ow! Let her open. Ow! Okay. Come on, pick up.
Hello?
It's Lucas.
I'm busy cleaning, Lucas. Why are you calling?
Because I found something. I'm trapped in Victor's office. I need your help.
What do you mean trapped?
Just leave.
I can't. I'm blind. He's coming back. I gotta go.
What are you looking for, Lucas? You didn't come back to study, did you? So is that what you're doing here? Searching my father's office?
No.
Lucas!
Josie. You made it.
Sorry, Vaughn, I let myself in.
Josie, are you a part of this?
Part of what? Lucas called me. He said that
If she was finished cleaning my room, then I have to go and inspect it. So, let's go. Now.
Later, Lucas.
Vaughn,
Whatever, Josie.
I've never encountered lenses like these before. The enhanced optics are astounding. Lucas, where did you get these?
I, treated the lenses and marked a deck so I could see everyone's cards.
So that's how you won all those games.
how could you do this to us?
I got so mad about losing, but instead of walking away from the game, I kept playing. I should have learned to lose more graciously like you said I should, or stop before things got so out of hand. Instead, I cheated and lied to my friends. I let wanting to prove Vaughn was a bad guy put another friend of mine in a bad position.
Let's talk about this later, okay?
Lucas? I'm looking at your eyes right now. They seem fine. But from what you described, the stress must have triggered a migraine.
You mean the headache is the cause of the blindness?
He isn't actually blind, but he may be in so much pain from the migraine that seeing is unbearable. My guess is that we'll have to block out all visual stimuli and leave Lucas in the dark for a while. This is a blackout bag. Photographers use it to load and unload film so the light won't ruin it. Now, we can't restore sight, but hopefully the blindfold will give Lucas's eyes a chance to reset.
Still a bit blurry.
Here, try these.
I can see you guys.
Just us, or can you still see through walls?
Just you guys. Just my friends. At least I hope we're still friends.
Don't think we're gonna erase all those bets you lost.
But you don't have to make good on them until you're up to it.
I'll make it up to you guys, I promise.
Until then, let's call it a night. Whew.
About the chi ball. You didn't see it, did you?
I wish I could tell you I was sure I saw it, but I'm not sure of anything I saw.
So, Vaughn could be telling the truth?
I don't know. I think there's a lot in Vaughn's life we'll never know about.
What is it, son?
Nothing. Just thinking.
I can tell by your expression it's not about your schoolwork.
People treat me differently because I'm your son.
Of course. You're a Pearson. There are people who fear that name. And even more who are jealous of it.
Is this what the rest of my life is gonna be like? Not knowing who I can trust?
No. Your destiny's still being written, as is mine. Until we're called upon to fulfill it, I need you to be ready.
I will be, Dad. I promise.